Hi, I'm Jim from AbleNet. Today, I'm going to show you how to update an app on the QuickTalker Freestyle. Begin by opening the Settings menu. Be sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Once connected, select Screen Time in the left-hand column. Next, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then select iTunes and App Store Purchases. Enter the restrictions passcode if prompted. Select Installing App and change to Allow. Exit the Settings menu. The App Store will now be available. You may need to swipe right or left to locate it. Once you've found the App Store, select the App Store and proceed to the Today screen. Tap on the blue silhouette in the top right-hand corner. Select Purchased and update the app you need to update. You may even see the app that needs updating in the upcoming Automatic Updates box. Be sure to repeat steps 3 through 8 to reapply these restrictions. To reapply the restrictions, select Screen Time from the left-hand side of the Settings menu, select Content and Privacy Restrictions, select iTunes and App Store Purchases, select Installing App, and change to Don't Allow. Exit the Settings menu, and your QuickTalker Freestyle is ready to use.